In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can lock the position of the chart on your Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. Okay, so I have prepared this data from here. So let's insert a chart first. So click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then you have to click on this chart. So you have 2D, 3D, 2D bar, 3D bar. Now let's go with this 2D bar. Okay, we have to select the data first. Then click on Insert. Okay, like that. So make sure to select the data so that that will be right here on the bar or the chart. You can also resize this depending on your requirement. Now, once you have added the chart, right click and then you have to select this option, Format Chart Area. Then click on this one, Size and Properties. Now click on Properties. And here you'll find the option, Don't Move or Size with Cells. Check that to lock the chart and then simply close this. And now if I'm going to move this chart, okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.